Welcome back to our channel. Today the 2025 Bajaj Avenger is here, and it's redefining what it means to cruise in style. This iconic cruiser bike is a perfect blend of performance, comfort, and sheer aesthetic appeal. Let's dive into what makes the new Avenger so special and why it's a top contender in the 2025 lineup for cruiser enthusiasts. First off, the design of the 2025 Bajaj Avenger is a nod to its legacy while embracing modern updates. The classic cruiser vibe is stronger than ever, with a sleek, low-slung profile, aggressive lines, and a matte finish that looks sophisticated. The new headlamp design, along with the contoured fuel tank, gives the Avenger a bold, commanding presence on the road. Bajaj has also upgraded the digital instrument cluster, making it more intuitive and easy to read while you're out on long rides. In terms of performance, the 2025 Avenger doesn't disappoint. The bike is powered by a 220cc engine that delivers a smooth and responsive ride. The engine is tuned to provide a punchy low-end torque, making city commuting and highway cruising a breeze. Whether you're weaving through traffic or enjoying a long stretch of open road, the Avenger's engine has enough power to keep you comfortable and confident. What truly stands out about the 2025 Avenger is its comfort. Bajaj has fine-tuned the suspension to offer a smooth ride, even on bumpy roads. The wide, cushioned seat ensures that long-distance riders won't feel fatigued, and the high handlebars provide an upright, relaxed posture, so you can cruise for hours without discomfort. The wide tires also contribute to better road grip and stability, making it feel planted on the road no matter the conditions. One of the more underrated aspects of the 2025 Avenger is its braking system. Bajaj has equipped the bike with a front disc and rear drum brake setup, along with a reliable anti-lock braking system, ABS, which adds an extra layer of safety. This ensures that whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising at higher speeds, you can stop confidently when needed. Fuel efficiency remains impressive, with the new Avenger offering a decent mileage figure that's perfect for long rides or daily commuting. It's a great balance between performance and practicality. Bajaj has also made improvements to the overall build quality, with premium materials and finishes that make the Avenger feel like a more expensive bike than it really is. Pricing for the 2025 Bajaj Avenger is very competitive for a bike in this segment. You get the feel of a premium cruiser without the premium price tag, making it a solid value for anyone looking to enter the world of cruisers. Whether you're a seasoned rider or someone looking to buy your first bike, the Avenger stands out as a highly versatile option. In conclusion, the 2025 Bajaj Avenger is a well-rounded cruiser with everything you could want: a performance, comfort, style, and safety all wrapped up in one affordable package. Whether you're cruising through city streets or embarking on longer journeys, the Avenger has everything to keep you riding in style, comfort, and confidence. If you're in the market for a reliable and attractive cruiser bike in 2025, the Bajaj Avenger is definitely one to consider.